Yes, unfortunately, my friend, we do have those continued conditions. There is one difference today that from what we had yesterday. We're not looking at the winds to be quite as gusty, but otherwise all the conditions are the same, and we do still have that same fire weather risk. Our current temperatures are chilly, just like they were yesterday morning. We're a mix of 20s and lower 30s, but we also have a little bit of a wind out there right now between 5 and 15 miles per hour. In places that register winds greater than 3 miles per hour, we're also registering an additional wind chill. So it feels like the 20s. If you're headed out in the 6 o'clock hour, dress for 22 in Providence. That's what it feels like. Feels like 20 in Smithfield, 28 in Westerly, 25 is what it feels like in Newport, with 26 along the south coast in New Bedford. So here's our fire weather concern. Again, not the red flag warning because we don't have those super gusty winds we had in place, but otherwise all the rest of the conditions are the same. You are advised the same things against outdoor burning of any kind and using careful consideration when disposing of smoking materials. Satellite and radar, we're in awesome shape. We have clear skies, and we're going to keep them as we go through the day. Couple things to consider. We've got a front coming in from the west. That was going to be part of the reason why we were going to have showers on Friday, but as of now, it looks like we have removed those from our forecast. Our models are saying that's not actually going to be the case anymore, as that front was going to get steered to the south of us. So here's how things will work out instead. We're headed to highs today with lots of sunshine in the 40s, cooler than average by about 5 degrees. We'll see a couple of clouds work in as we go through the overnight. Temperatures are still going to be just as chilly to start Friday, but Friday afternoon we're going to flip our wind direction and start to bring in warmer air. As a result, highs will be in the 50s, which is what we typically do this time of year. As we go to Saturday in the morning, we're going to have a warmer start. We're going to see a good amount of sunshine. We're going to keep close eyes on that. That is a developing coastal storm that is expected to remain offshore, but may throw us a couple of clouds from time to time. But with that warm wind direction in place, we're looking at highs on Saturday that should meet or top 60, and we're going to do it again for Sunday and for Monday too. So Tropical Depression 19, it has officially formed. It is expected to become Tropical Storm Sarah within the next, say, 12 to 24 hours. It is expected to bring soaking rains to the north coast of Honduras and then take a hard turn toward Belize, head through the Yucatan Peninsula, and then eventually emerge into the Gulf, where it has a very good chance of becoming our next hurricane. From there, we're going to have to really keep an eagle eye on it for the midweek time frame for any impacts in the continental United States. With that said, today, sunny, chilly, temperatures topping out in the 40s, not quite as gusty as it was yesterday. Looking ahead, temps go into the 60s on Saturday and stay there for the duration of the entire weekend. Cara?